Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error 0x80070422. The first solution that you should always take in consideration is to set the Windows Update service to run automatically. To do this, just press the Start button, then type services.msc and select Services from the search results. As you can see, the list is quite big in here, so if you want to find a specific service, just click a random service and then simply type the letter that's corresponding to your service. So just type W and then search for the Windows Update service. After you found it, just double-click it and then make sure to select the startup type as automatic. Then simply click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Another great solution is to disable IPv6. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type in Control Panel and select Control Panel from the search results. In here you have to find Network and Sharing Center, so just click it. And then you have to select your public network, which is on the right side, typed in blue, and simply select the Properties button. In here, scroll down until you find the IPv6 Internet Protocol version and simply uncheck it. Now click on OK to save the changes. Another useful solution is to run the SFC and DISM tools. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in CMD and simply run command prompt as an administrator. In here, type the following commands and press Enter after each. Now you can close the command prompt and simply restart your computer to complete the process. And after it's restarted, just try to install the updates that you originally wanted to install. You can also reset your PC. To do this, just press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then on the left pane make sure to select System, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the Recovery tab and select it. Now just click on the Reset PC button next to Reset this PC option, and then keep your preferences and proceed to confirm with the reset procedure. And lastly, another great solution is to restart the network list service. To do this, press the Windows button and then simply type services.msc and select the Services app from the search results. And as you can see, the list is quite big in here, so if you want to find a specific service, just click on a random service and then type the letter that corresponds with the service that you want to find. So in our case, it's Network List Service, so press the N letter. Now you can see that the Network List Service is found here, so right-click it and simply select the Restart option. Now you can just restart your PC and proceed with reinstalling the updates that you wanted to install. And that's it, plenty of options to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.